All right, got a new maintenance customer today. So starting new with everything. Don't know what I'm gonna get into, so I'm checking static. I got my supply side in. I got, this is my return, so return is gonna go up through the airstream. Boom. And they've got a filter. I don't know when it was clean last, but it was the, one of those washables. So it's hanging in there. It's not where I want it at 0.5. 0.5. But, seen worse out there, especially with a filter that's, I'm not too sure how long it's been in. I do like the coffin box from the metal shop. Shout out to those guys. Because nobody in my area does any metal. So that's cool. They got it on feet. But I'm gonna open up the air handler and see what the condition of the coil is and the blower. But not too bad so far. Don't know if I have time to run a true flow grid, but that might be good because we got, what do we got on a return? Maybe that filter is restrictive. Jeez, 0.4. Supply, 0.25. Well, I'll clean that filter and see what it does. All right. Well, this is kind of crazy. I was using the puffer, and I noticed we were getting a lot of air over here. Just taping up the air handler, we're getting to like 0.62. Taped up the joints. I mean, it looks horrible, but it's sucking in air. Look at this. It looks like they caulked it, but mastic, but still, we're just pulling in garage air. Jeez. So if I would have put my field piece there, opposed to real close to the coil, which is not good. I'm gonna pick up radiant cooling. I would be missing all of this hot 90-degree garage air. I guess I gotta tape that up too. All right, well, we'll see what happens when I tape it up. All right, sealing everything up. We got like 0.63 now because things like Swiss cheese. It looked decent. Everything was sealed here. I found, look at this. Zoom in. I just see ductboard open. What is going on here? Just an open sheet of ductboard. Oh man. So it looks like they kind of put the back piece in first and just silver taped it on the front, make it look good. Man, they should have done the plenum out here with the box and sealed this on the inside or something. Well, she's a mess. I'm gonna see what their comfort complaints are because this is ridiculous. It was leaking all around the whole entire air handler. All right, I'm gonna throw some Measure Quick on here. All right, we got the gauges hooked up. It's a piston unit. System's running like garbage, go figure. Superheat, nothing. Subcool, not much. At the temperature outside, we should be like 350. What else we got? Split's decent. So if you're going off a split, everything's good. Damn, it's 95 out here today. Woo! So it's looking like undercharge. It was saying to Measure Quick. And for those guys, like, that's real important. Slap that flag button. So compressor or system undercharged. Metering device is stuck open now. Okay, more missing. So let's see what that superheat says. You know what? I'm gonna check to make sure my clamps are on there. Sometimes I get a funny reading, but I mean, to be expected from this type of install. So I'm gonna go check that and see what the customer wants to do.